Have you ever gone to a car mechanic and had no idea what to say? Today, I will teach you the exact English phrases you need. What to say to a car mechanic. Stay with me. These sentences could save you a lot of time and money. My car is making a strange noise. My car is making a strange noise. Something is wrong with my car. Something is wrong with my car. My car won't start. My car won't start. The engine is not working. The engine is not working. My car battery is dead. My car battery is dead. The engine light is on. The engine light is on. My car is overheating. My car is overheating. The brakes feel soft. The brakes feel soft. My brakes are not working well. My brakes are not working well. I hear a loud sound when I brake. I hear a loud sound when I brake. My steering wheel is shaking. My steering wheel is shaking. The car pulls to one side. The car pulls to one side. My tire is flat. My tire is flat. The tire is puncture. The tire is puncture. Please check my car tires. Please check my car tires. The air pressure is low. The air pressure is low. My car is leaking oil. My car is leaking oil. There is a leak under my car. There is a leak under my car. My oil light is on. My oil light is on. I need an oil change. I need an oil change. The coolant level is low. The coolant level is low. My car uses too much fuel. My car uses too much fuel. The air conditioner is not cooling. The air conditioner is not cooling. My heater is not working. My heater is not working. The window mirror are not going down. The window mirror are not going down.
My wipers are not working. My wipers are not working.
One headlight is broken. My tail light is not working.
The horn is not working. The horn is not working. My gear is stuck. My gear is stuck. I cannot shift gears smoothly. I cannot shift gears smoothly. The clutch feels very stiff. The clutch feels very stiff. My car vibrates at high speed. My car vibrates at high speed. The exhaust makes black smoke. The exhaust makes black smoke. My car smells like burning. My car smells like burning. There is a strange smell inside. There is a strange smell inside. My door is not closing. My door is not closing. The trunk is not opening. The trunk is not opening.
My seatbelt is not locking. My seatbelt is not locking.
How long will it take? How long will it take? How much will it cost? How much will it cost?
Let me check.
Can you give me an estimate? Can you give me an estimate?
Yes, I can do that.
Please fix it soon. Please fix it soon.
Please do your best. Please do your best.
I will.
Everything works well now. Everything works well now.
Thank you for fixing my car.
You're welcome. Happy to help.